Hi, I'm Skylar. If you use Windows Live Mail, you can set it up on your iPhone following these simple steps. Go to Settings. In Settings, scroll down until you see Mail, Contacts, Calendars. Tap it, and then tap Add Account. You'll see this list. At the bottom, you'll see Microsoft Hotmail. Tap it, enter your email address and your password, and a description, whatever you choose. Once you've done that, tap Next, and it will send that information to Microsoft servers, authenticate you, and you'll be logged in. You'll then be able to synchronize your contacts and calendar, as well as your email, with the Microsoft Live system. Thanks for watching. I'm Skylar.